Hey everyone! Today's featured application will be an open sign made from TroLase blue-on-white plastic. We have the simple design that we are going to run on our Speedy 360 laser system. After we load our TroLase material into the machine, we will go ahead and enter our settings. We are using Trotec's TroLase in 1/16 inch, so we can select the preset material settings. Then we will print our file to job control, focus the laser, and hit start. This TroLase material has a blue exterior with a white core that really stands out when engraved. TroLase comes in a variety of colors and sizes, and it's perfect for exterior or interior signage. You can purchase material, get the design file, and find the settings in the description box below. Wipe off the material with a cloth and your sign is ready to display. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section or visit troteclaser.com for more info.